In the news and on social media, we are often bombarded by big claims about public opinion supported by polls. However, these polls aren't always used accurately. Opinion polls ask a group of people about their views on a range of issues. When properly conducted, they can give us a surprisingly accurate picture of what the public thinks. However, they come with a margin of error, which shows how confident you can be in the data. If you surveyed 1,000 people, you'd have a margin of error of plus or minus 3%, which means the true number could be up to 3% higher or 3% lower. And that margin of error becomes even greater if you start breaking the group down into smaller groups, which is called subsampling. If you start trying to compare groups within your group, that margin of error can become bigger and bigger. But news outlets often overlook this. Here's an example. During the Scottish independence referendum in 2014, it was claimed that 16 and 17-year-olds overwhelmingly favoured Scottish independence, with 71% of them voting yes in the referendum. That seems significant, especially as the voting age had only been lowered to 16 the previous year. The poll surveyed 2,046 people, but if you look carefully at the subsamples, only 14 of them were in the young voter age category, which meant the margin of error for this was actually plus or minus 26.2%. The takeaway message? The next time you see different groups being compared in a poll, make sure that you know how much uncertainty is associated with these smaller sample sizes. If that information isn't available, you should probably be skeptical.